Hello everyone. I'm about to show you how to invite a friend because I was reviewing my YouTube account and I saw a lot of you are asking for an invitation code. So everyone here can invite a friend. In order to invite, go to invite a friend. Here you go. As you can see, I have available invitation code. So if I want to invite someone using my invitation code, click here. Sorry, it's taking too long for me. Okay, so I got one email address there, so I have to enter it here. Just enter the email address. Or you can have them also on your Gmail, your Yahoo account. So I got this from YouTube. This is an email address. I don't know who is he, but I'm inviting him because he is asking. So you have also here the choice if you want to get the $50 on your Funbox balance, or alright, have you seen this? So to reward you for being a teacher to your friend, you have two choices. Upon your friend registering, a $50 will be added to your Funbox balance. After your friend has in a good standing with their new user boost activated for 90 days, your bonus will consider earned and available for your use just like any other earnings. For your friend or for your friend's first 6 months, earn 10% from all your friends' profits. This has no cost that your friends. This bonus is paid to you by Funbox. For 7 months to 12, you will earn 3%, and for 13 to 24, you earn 1.5%. So that's good. So you can choose the 50 or you can choose this option 2. So he will check it on his email address. Invite. And there you go.